food lover! Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Miri.
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Miri. So on today's episode we'll be making tilapia fish, baked tilapia fish. So I have some frozen tilapia here, about 6 of them. So I'm going to defrost them for about an hour 30 minutes before cleaning it up. Alright, stay glued. Hello guys, as you can see the fish is completely defrosted now. No more ice. So I'm going to start cleaning the fish now. The back of the fish is already pre-cleaned, so there's no scale on the back. So all I have to deal with is just the inside of it. As you can see, the first phase of the cleaning is done. Everything is clean. So this is going to be the second phase of cleaning. I'm going to use lime. So I'm going to season the fish twice. The first phase of seasoning, I'm going to use all dry seasonings. I have a black pepper, ground black pepper. I have a Maggie cube. I have Knorr chicken flavor, and then I have salt. So this is a mixture of the dry seasoning. I'm done with the first phase of seasoning, and this is how it looks. Guys, I'm going to season the fish for the second time, and this time around I'm going to use wet seasoning. So I'm going to make a full video of how I prepare this wet seasoning. So for now, just know that I use some green spices to make this seasoning, and I will make a full video of it so you will see what I use. So guys, this step is so messy, but if you're a fish lover like me, you just have to endure it. So I'm going to apply the wet seasoning. So because my air fryer is small, I'm going to bake this fish. Remember, I brought out 6 fish, so I'm going to my air fryer can only take 2 fish at a time, so I'm going to bake it 3 times. So let's start with this one.